I truly enjoyed the training and gained valuable insights from the instructor. He presented theories with a practical and real-world perspective. I also appreciated the open discussions and the way he encouraged everyone to share their thoughts. Highly recommended institution.
One of the greatest teachers I've ever had the pleasure of studying under is Mr. Gilbert Esper. I went to his class and I heartily endorse his classes to anyone wishing to increase their level of proficiency.
It was an amazing experience taking a course from Atton Institute for Certified Corporate Governance Professional. We had a pleasure to learn from the trainer